Under the leaking subway lights, Lee Hacken stood there like fading cigarette smoke. Once his name could save a city, Lee Hacken. But now even neon lights blur and shake inside his tired eyes. His vision burns, his eyelids feel like stone. Every night grows heavier than the one before. And people whisper quietly, is that really Lee Hacken, the hero who fought? Be dead, be dead. At the end of the alley, the cold wind carries one name. Be dead. A sorrow that never dies, a shadow that never leaves, a voice telling him to finally give up. Lee Hacken rubs his aching eyes again, trying to clear the haze, but the whole world melts into fog. Streetlights bleed into rivers of gold, faces disappear before he can recognize them. Even breathing feels exhausting now. Still inside himself, be dead, keeps breathing too. Just fall already. Whispers, be dead, through the cracks in the night. And for a moment, Lee Hacken almost believes it. His shoulders are heavy, his bones ache from old wars. His eyes can barely hold the light anymore. But with one broken breath, Lee Hacken still answers, I'm not finished yet. Like a tiger with broken fangs, he swallows back a torn roar. Even trembling, even half-blind, Lee Hacken refuses to kneel, because he knows the real monster was never the world, it was always be dead. Is a forgotten hero with dim eyes and a fading body. The other is the darkness waiting for him to collapse. And tonight again, Lee Hacken stares into the blur of the night, his vision fading, his heart unbearably heavy, wondering if he can still defeat